So I bought a bunch of stuff to do my soil, my chunky soil. Compré un montón de ingredientes para hacer el finalmente armar el suelo. Les voy a mostrar qué es lo que compré y cómo hacerlo. Which there's several videos about this, but anyway, this is the first time I'm gonna do it. Perlita, perlite, loose coconut coir, ya el sustrato de coco suelto. I also bought worm castings, ya compost de lombriz, the bark, corteza, and sphagnum moss. So I'm gonna mix in here. I'm gonna start mixing it over there. Ahí lo voy a empezar a armar. Oh, and pumice. I don't think I mentioned this. Medium size. Piedra pome tamaño mediano. Ya, entonces vamos a empezar por la perlita. Starting with the perlite. Then the pumice. La piedra pome. Some of the bark. Un poco de la corteza. Okay. We're doing equal parts, by the way. Vamos a hacer partes iguales. Worm castings. Sphagnum moss. Something like that. It'll also be different when the moss is moist, right? Cuando todo esto esté como húmedo en realidad, el musgo va a estar distinto, el sphagnum. And now the coconut coir, el sustrato de coco loco, which I bought a big bag, 50-liter bag. Compré una bolsa de 50 litros because it was cheaper. Estaba mucho más barato. The difference is that this one comes loose. Viene suelto, instead of like on a brick. En vez de venir como un ladrillo que tienes que hidratar y todo eso, viene así. So probably use a little bit more space. That's it. Yeah, so this is gonna be the mix I'm gonna try, and then with time I'll see if I need to improve some elements or decrease quantities. Ya con el tiempo voy a saber si es que necesito ponerle más de algo o eliminar las dosis. It feels pretty good. Yeah, it's a really good ratio of everything. So I'm gonna keep doing this and I'll see you later. Nos vemos más tarde.